Listen, someone needs to hear this message today. Mental health is not madness. Mental health is not weakness. Mental health is the mind quietly saying, I'm tired. Please help me. Today, many people are suffering silently, not because they are cursed, but because they are overworked, overstressed, overloaded, and unsupported. Science is clear. When the gut is unhealthy, the mind becomes very, very heavy. When the heart is wounded, the spirit becomes weak. And when the body is exhausted, the brain cannot fight. But there is the good news. Healing is possible. Peace is possible. Balance is possible. Start with the basics. Eat raw vegetables. Sleep 7 to 8 hours and walk daily. Talk to someone. Pray, breathe, and rest. And God gave us powerful solutions, okay? And that is herbal solutions. Like ashwagandha for stress, turmeric for inflammation, chamomile for calmness, ginkgo for the brain, mondia wite for hormonal balance, bitter leaf for better sleep. And at Stega Natural Health Africa, we have natural formulas designed for mental balance. SPMT, Stegan Peace Mind, okay? A gentle herbal blend that helps you relax and sleep peacefully, and Stegan Brainary for sharper memory, better focus, and a stronger mind. So hear me clearly. You are not losing your mind, you are losing your balance, and the balance can be restored at Stegan Natural Health Medicine.